Dear students, how are you? I hope all of you are safe. Okay, let us start today's class. You have learned many things in geometry. You know the different shapes like circle, triangle, quadrilateral, like that. You know how to draw a circle, isn't it? You also know that how to draw a triangle. In today's class, we are going to learn how to construct quadrilateral. Do you remember the construction of triangle? I will ask you one question. Can you construct a triangle of sides 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm? How many such triangles you can draw? I am not asking about the names. You can give different names. One can give ABC, another one can give triangle PQR. I am not asking about the names. My question is, how many such triangles you can draw? Whatever name you give, all the triangles are right angled triangles with side 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. So, we can say that they are unique triangles. So, you can say that all these triangles are same. Suppose I give sides like 3, 4 and 6. It will be a new triangle because it will not be a right angled triangle. So, what you can conclude from that one? To draw a unique triangle, how many measurements you require? You require 3 measurements. Then, how many measurements are required to draw a unique quadrilateral? Before answering that question, I will ask another simple question to you. What is a quadrilateral? It is a plane closed figure with 4 sides and 4 vertices. A quadrilateral has one side and one angle more than that of a triangle. So, do you think 4 information is enough? Can you draw a unique quadrilateral if I have given you 4 sides? Let us check this with an activity. Let us see a quadrilateral of sides 21 cm, 20 cm, 21 cm and 20 cm. Is it the only quadrilateral of this measurements? Let us try. Suppose if you push at the vertices, what will happen? Will it be the same quadrilateral? No. Earlier it was a rectangle, now it is a parallelogram. So, 4 measurements will not uniquely determine a quadrilateral. This is the same quadrilateral with sides 21, 20, 21 and 20. This time we have included one more measure, that is its diagonal of 29 centimeters. Now, what happens if we push at the vertices? It is not going to change. So, it remains to be the same rectangle. What we can conclude from this activity? 4 data or measurements is not enough to construct a unique quadrilateral. 5 measures uniquely determine a quadrilateral. Now, let us start constructing such quadrilaterals. First, we will construct a quadrilateral with 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Let us see the measurements. PQRS is a quadrilateral with PQ equal to 4 units, QR equal to 6 units, RS equal to 5 units, PS equal to 5.5 units and PR equal to 7 units. In this problem, we will take 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter for the construction. We will draw a rough sketch which will be helpful in constructing the quadrilateral PQRS. Can you observe two triangles in the rough sketch? Yes. One more observation is there. What is that? These triangles have a common base. What is the advantage of this observation? The unknown problem of drawing the quadrilateral PQRS reduced to a known problem of constructing two triangles. Let us see how we can do. Are you ready? We will draw PQRS. First, we will draw line segment PR with 7 centimeter. Now, we will draw an arc centered at P and radius 4 centimeter above the line segment PR. We will draw an arc centered at R and radius 6 centimeter above PR. Q is the point of intersection of this arc. First, we will join P and Q. Now, join R and Q. We will obtain triangle PQR. Now, we will draw an arc of radius 5.5 centimeter centered at P. Draw an arc with radius 5 centimeter centered at R. S be the point of intersection of the arcs. Complete the triangle PRS. We will get the quadrilateral PQRS. Next, we will see one more problem. Construct the quadrilateral EFGH where EF equal to 4.5 centimeter, FG equal to 6 centimeter, GH equal to 4.5 centimeter, HE equal to 6 centimeter and HF equal to 7.5 centimeter. First, what you should do? You should draw a rough sketch. Then mark the given measurements and observe carefully. Can you see two triangles there? Construct those triangles in such a way that you can complete the construction of the quadrilateral. Try yourself. Maya and Manu was playing by drawing quadrilaterals. Maya wants to draw the quadrilateral PLAY with the following measurements. PL equal to 3 centimeter, LA equal to 4 centimeter, AY equal to 4.5 centimeter, PY equal to 2 centimeter and LY equal to 6 centimeter. By seeing the measurements, before Maya starts, Manu told Maya, you cannot draw this quadrilateral. Do you agree with Manu? What are the given data? It is given sides and diagonals. LY is a diagonal. Let us draw a line segment LY of length 6 centimeter. Draw an arc of radius 3 centimeter centered at L. Draw another arc of radius 2 centimeter centered at Y. Do they intersect? Why? The sum of the smaller sides is smaller than the length of the largest side. To construct a triangle, the sum of the two sides of the triangle must be greater than the third side. In this problem, this is not the case. So, you cannot construct a triangle. Our construction of quadrilateral require construction of triangles. So, we cannot construct the quadrilateral. So, who is right? Yes, Manu is right. Now, let us discuss another case where 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD with AB equal to 4 centimeter, BC equal to 3 centimeter, AD equal to 2.5 centimeter, AC equal to 4.5 centimeter and BD equal to 4 centimeters. What is the difference between the previous case? In the previous case, 4 sides and 1 diagonal was given. Here, instead of 4 sides, 3 sides are given, 2 diagonals are also given. So, we have 5 measurements. We can draw a unique quadrilateral. First, we will draw a rough sketch. Observe the rough sketch carefully. Can you see 2 triangles, triangle ABD and triangle ABC? Let us construct 2 triangles and join the missing part. Let us try. Draw line segment AB equal to 4 centimeter. Now, draw an arc with center A and radius 4.5 centimeters. Next, draw an arc with center B and radius 3 centimeter. Let C be the point of intersection of these arcs. Join AC and BC. Now we will construct the triangle ABD. We will draw an arc centered at A and radius 2.5 centimeter. We will draw an arc centered at B and radius 4 centimeter. Let D be the point of intersection of these arcs. Now we will join AD and BD to complete the triangle. We can join the points C and D to complete the quadrilateral ABD. ABCD. Now try this problem yourself. Now let us try to construct another quadrilateral. Here I will give you two adjacent sides and three angles. Let us see the problem. Construct the quadrilateral MIST with MI equal to 3.5 centimeter, IS equal to 6.5 centimeter, angle M equal to 75 degree, angle I equal to 105 degree and angle S equal to 120 degree. Let us start with a rough figure. Observe carefully. Can you find triangles as in the case 1 and case 2? No. Then how will you proceed? Let us observe carefully and make some of the observations. Length of MI is 3.5 centimeter. IS makes 105 degree with MI. MI and IS are adjacent sides of the quadrilateral. Length of IS is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Using these, can we locate the point S? Draw segment MI with 3.5 centimeter length. Measure an angle 105 degree at I with base MI. Draw a line L making an angle 105 degree at I. Now draw an arc with center at I and radius 6.5 centimeter. S is the point of intersection of arc and the line L. We get the second side of the quadrilateral. Now we want to locate the fourth vertex T of the quadrilateral MIST. What information you have about T? From the rough figure, we can see that T is located at a position which is inclined 75 degree to MI at M and 120 degree to IS at S. Now T can be easily located by the following method. Draw a line at M making an angle 75 degree to MI. Draw a line at S making an angle 120 degree to IS. Let T be the point of intersection of these lines. By drawing MT and ST, our construction will be complete. Thus, we have developed a method to construct a quadrilateral when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Try these problems yourself. Quadrilateral MORE, MO equal to 6 centimeter, OR equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle M equal to 60 degree, angle O equal to 105 degree and angle R equal to 105 degree. In each of the problem, don't forget to start by drawing a rough figure and marking the given information. Let us see another case. Here I will give you 3 sides and 2 included angles. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD with AB equal to 4 centimeter, BC equal to 5 centimeter, CD equal to 6.5 centimeter, angle B equal to 105 degree and angle C equal to 80 degree. First we will draw a rough figure as before to understand how to start. What we have to do? We have to locate 4 points A, B, C and D and complete the quadrilateral with the given measures. Let us start. Draw a line BC with 5 centimeter. Draw an angle 105 degree at B with base BC. Locate the point A 4 centimeter away from B on this line. The fourth point D is on CY, which is inclined to 80 degree to BC. So make angle BCY equal to 80 degree. D is at a distance 6.5 centimeter on this line. So with C as center, draw an arc of length 6.5 centimeters. It cuts the line at D. Now complete the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Now try this problem yourself. Let us see a special case. Construct a square ABCD with side 4.5 centimeter. Did I give you 5 measurements? No, only one side. But I have given you a big hint. What is that? It is a square. So can you use some properties of square to find 5 measurements? All sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. Now let us start the construction. Draw AB of length 4.5 centimeters. Draw a perpendicular at A. Draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter centered at A. Mark the point of intersection of the perpendicular with the arc as D. Now draw a perpendicular at B. Draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeters centered at B. Mark the point of intersection of perpendicular with arc as C. Now join CD to complete the square ABCD. If you know the quadrilateral, whether it is a square or a rectangle or a rhombus or a parallelogram, that means some special properties are there, then 5 measurements is not necessary. From the given data, you will be able to find required 5 measurements. Now try this problem yourself. What are all we studied today? We have studied to construct quadrilaterals. To construct a unique quadrilateral, how many measures are required? 5 measures are required. What are the different cases we have handled? 4 sides and 1 diagonal. That is case 1. In case 2, we have seen 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Then we have seen 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. In the 4th case, I have given you 3 sides and 2 included angles. We also see that if some special properties of the quadrilaterals are known, we can construct the quadrilateral without giving 5 measurements. Now you can open your textbook. There are plenty of quadrilaterals are waiting for you. Try to construct all the quadrilaterals yourself. Have a nice day. Wear mask. Stay safe. Thank you.